Hello everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the structure of ovule. Let us start. First of all, we are seeing that there is a ovary wall, and on ovary wall there is a structure present called placenta. On placenta there is a stalk-like structure called funicle, and at the tip of funicle there is a structure present known as hilum. Hilum is that part which connects the main body part of ovule with funicle. And now discussing about the main body part of ovule, we are seeing that there is an outer protective layer. This outer protective layer is known as integument. Integument can be divided into two parts, outer integument and inner integument. At just inner part of the integument, we are seeing that there are mass of cells are present. These mass of cells are present is known as nucleus. Any cell of the nucleus, any one cell of the nucleus can undergo meiosis and form 4 megaspore. And out of these 4 megaspore, only one become functional and develops into embryo sac. Let us discuss the structure of embryo sac. We are seeing that there is a structure in the middle of the ovule. This structure is known as embryo sac. In embryo sac there are 8 haploid nucleus and 7 cells. It means embryo sac is 7 celled and 8 nucleated stage. We are seeing that there is a gap between integument, and this part is known as micropyle, and just opposite to the micropyle there is a part is known as chalaza. This side of ovule is known as chalazal end, and this side of ovule is known as micropylar end. At the micropylar end in embryo sac there are 3 cells. 2 green cells are synergids, and 1 red cells is known as egg cell. This egg cell is a female gamete, and just above the egg cell there are 2 haploid polar nuclei, and just above the polar nuclei there are 3 antipodal cells which are haploid. They are present on the chalazal end side. This is the whole structure of ovule. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share with your friends.